Hi, I'm Simon, and for today's Tech Tuesday, we're going to discuss what you actually experience when using lithium batteries compared to lead-acid batteries. Let's start with installation. Lithium batteries are half the weight of the same capacity lead-acid batteries, making them much easier to lift and install into your vehicle or equipment. A 100 amp-hour lithium battery weighs less than 30 pounds. The first thing people notice with lithium batteries when they operate their equipment, whether it's a boat, golf cart, or any other type of vehicle, is the feel. The reduced weight and higher power provided by lithium batteries results in a noticeably faster and smoother ride. The higher voltage of a lithium battery provides more power, which increases the ability to accelerate. You can reach top speed faster and more often when maneuvering up a hill or with a heavier load or against the current. With lead-acid batteries, you just can't reach full speed. But with lithium batteries, you can and do. When lithium batteries are used for house power in an RV, people often use the benefit of less weight and more power to add more of the items they really want in their RV. You also experience full power throughout use. It's not uncommon to run accessories off your battery bank in a vehicle. With lead-acid batteries, this can be problematic. For example, while powering a boat with lead-acid batteries, at some point, the voltage will drop too low to allow the accessories to operate. With lithium, you won't lose power to those accessories as the voltage remains high until the batteries are fully depleted. Another notable experience with lithium batteries is how long they last. You won't be replacing your batteries every 1 to 5 years, depending on your particular application. Equally important to what you experience is what you don't experience. Let me explain. You won't experience a loss of valuable time. This point is twofold in charging and maintenance. First, lithium charges 4 to 6 times faster than lead-acid, so there's less time and electricity to recharge. Second, with lead-acid batteries, you can't avoid spending time cleaning acidic messes on the top of the batteries, in the battery compartment, and on the floor. If you let it go too long, you may have to change battery cables due to corrosive buildup. With lithium, there is no mess to clean up, ever. Finally, lead-acid batteries are easy to damage. Even with the best intentions, at some point we will most likely not add water when needed or not fully charge our batteries or leave them discharged for an extended period of time, resulting in permanent damage, shortening life. None of this impacts lithium batteries. Lithium batteries truly provide peace of mind. In fact, lithium batteries are so reliable and maintenance-free, you might even forget you have them.